Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset or erase all your data on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So once you have factory reset your iPhone, all your data from the iPhone will disappear, including your photos, your contacts and all the settings. So the purpose could be anything. You want to sell your phone or give it to somebody else, or else if you need those data later on, make sure that you take a backup of your phone. Once you have erased all your data, you will be back to the hello screen. So with that said, let's get started. Go to settings on your iPhone, tap general and scroll all the way down and tap on the option transfer or reset iPhone. First option that you get at the top is to transfer your data to a new iPhone, and down here you have reset and erase all content and settings. So you have to tap on erase all content and settings. So here it says erase this iPhone, and down here it says the following items will be safely removed from this iPhone. So in my phone I have absent data amounts to 25 GB and there's an Apple account connected to it, and Find My is enabled and I have a credit card linked to the wallet. So to proceed, tap continue. So here it says, are you sure you want to erase all media, content and settings, and this cannot be undone. Again, once you have erased your iPhone, you will not be able to recover any of your data. So if you need these data later on, I would strongly suggest that you take a backup of it. So to continue with erasing the iPhone, just tap on this option, erase iPhone. Here provide the passcode, then provide the Apple ID password to turn off Find My activation lock. So at this point, once you have given the password, you will not be able to reverse the request. It will start deleting all your content and data. So this process will take few minutes. Once it is completed, you will be back on the hello screen. So that's all you need to do to factory reset the iPhone. Now your phone is just like a new phone. So the next step is to set up this phone as a new iPhone, or if you have already taken a backup, you can use that to restore on this phone. If you need help in setting this phone up as a new iPhone, I have a video showing how to do that. You can find the link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you need any help. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.